This is a 2004 Holden Commodore Ute, straight from Australia. Interesting story behind the car. It eventually found its way to Colorado as a rolling chassis, and from there it had a Corvette engine LS1 installed, which would have been the correct engine for this vehicle. It's a kind of purple color, and it is the first one of these I have actually seen in the steel. That's an aftermarket hood from Australia for this vehicle. It's got a nice cover for the bed, and too bad I couldn't get really good shots of the inside here, but it has an automatic. And I would assume that the interior is very similar to the sedan Holden. Here you see a couple stickers appropriate for Australia. That's the Holden emblem, evidently. And there's Australia. I guarantee you don't see yourself coming down the other side of the road with this vehicle. Here you get a view of the color of the vehicle. It's a kind of a dark purple. There you get a little bit better view inside. And Australian Outback license plate. Northern Territory.
He's got to repaint that.